moment. Just getting guests, getting everything ready. Look, so we've got these Mellors, things what they have inside. And then share they've vaulted it around a bit. So they've got, I think this is the bar with all plants. So this is down here this year. So you've got the trees. Look, so it looks beautiful trees. So yeah, so you got the trees. So you can see, look guys, we're getting it all repaired, ready for you. So this is what Mellors has got. So yeah, look. So look guys. Sad dip it this year, look. You got your bar, look how big it is this year. So this is gonna be massive on here. This is your bar, look. And then this is back of you, the beach. And you can see, look guys, look. Look. You can see what's going up, look. All the fencing. So look guys, you've got the food stores, you've got the beach, like the sand. And look, you've got Mellors' lorry there, look. Look how good it is this year, look guys. See all your food, you've got crepes, you've got ice creams, and there's all different ones, you've got Greek. So yeah. So quietly good this year. So normally the bars up here. But this year they vaulted it around, so there's like, so basically you've got crepes and ice cream. You got churros, grills and all that, and you can see they're putting all this basically all this plaque on. So in the middle you can see that they're still doing progress. So that where the sand goes and the sea and all that. But there's a lot of stuff that's giving a rise and all that, and so there you go, guys.